Hi, this is Melissa with A Creative Journey with Melissa. Today I'm going to show you how to do a super duper fast background when you want to have a little something in the back, but nothing too super duper fancy, and just a little color, but don't happen to have the right color for your background, whether you don't have the right cardstock or whatever. This is really easy, and you can use it with any paper. You can use just regular cardstock. The only thing I will tell you is that it does tend to wrinkle a little bit, but you can lay them flat between books and that does the trick, and it also saves money than buying the really expensive paper. So I had a bunch of this paper here, and I ended up just cutting it into pieces for cards and thought, oh, I'll just show this because this is a really super fast, easy, and great way to get a background. So this is going to be so fast, you're going to blink and it's going to be over, I swear. Anyway, thank you for joining us. I wanted to show you what you need. Distress ink. This is Tim Holtz Distress ink, and this is the Weathered Wood. We have our acrylic stamp block. We're not going to be stamping today, but we have other uses for this beauty. This is actually a recycled magnet holder. It came with magnets inside, so I thought it'd be perfect for paint, so we have a little water in there. And you'll need your brush and, of course, paper. So this is what it looks like, and I think it's beautiful. I really think, I mean, you could do so much with this, and it's so simple, it's not even funny. And you know what? Your kids can help you with this one. It's fun. So what we're going to do is just simply take out a plain piece of paper, and we're going to put a little bit of water on our acrylic block, like so. You don't need a whole bunch. I'm probably overdoing it a little bit, but I guess better too much than not enough. Sometimes that's good, sometimes it's not. So I'm going to just add some color this way. And maybe a little bit more. And you'll see how, even though it doesn't look like any color, add a little bit more water. Doesn't look like any color there, does it? But it sure does have color. How you like that? Pretty neat, huh? Just a light little dabbing, if you will, or brushing. And if you like the brush strokes, you can do a little bit more of a dry look. This right now here is more of a watercolor look. You can't really see too much of the brush strokes right there. And it's pretty light. So I like it. That is how fast it is. That is how it's done. It is done. That is it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. This is probably a record-breaking fast tutorial. You can have more water or less water to change the color of this. You can add more of the ink. You could actually, instead of using the ink pad, you can use your re-inkers, but sometimes it gives you almost too much ink. So that's why I do it like this. But I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial today, and I hope that you tell me what you're going to do and make with this. And I want to show you something else that's really kind of neat. If you wanted to do this, you could even use it for a background like that. And I thought that's really neat. That's kind of what was in my mind. So something different, something easy, and something fun for the kids to enjoy too, especially since spring break's coming. So I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. I really appreciate your time, and thank you for visiting. Make sure that you check out our YouTube channel and be a subscriber to that and to our blog and email list. We're going to be giving away a gift certificate for $15 towards our store, and you get to pick out whatever you want. So that's the way we're doing it this week. So make sure you're a subscriber to both, or else you're not eligible to win. And have a great day, and thank you so much for going on a creative journey with Melissa. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.